Okay, in our live presentation above, the OBS demonstration, a bunch of things were left out because in the screen share mode, it wouldn't show some menus properly. So I'm going to go through this once again. So what we want is, I'm just going to go through some menus really quickly. So when you're sharing pre-recorded, you want desktop audio on and you want your mic off. You don't want your speakers blaring and then creating the sound coming from your desktop and the sound coming from your speakers. So you turn the mic off. The controls, you can stop stream, you can start stream, start recording, studio mode. We're not getting into that. And then settings. Okay. So I'm going to go into settings for our purpose. All this video is just how to live stream a pre-recorded video. Okay. So the first thing is I'm going to go into scenes and I'm going to add a scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stream a free giveaway that I was offering, and I'm going to make that Squeeze-matic image. Okay. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go to image. See, I went over to the sources now. I've got this highlighted. I went over to the sources, and I'm going to press this. I'm going to go image, and then I'm going to, and then as soon as I go OK, it's going to ask me where to go find it. So when I click browse, I'm going to have to go into pictures, right, where I store all my pictures, and then I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to put it in there. It comes up, I can see it, and I'm going to go OK. Now, for me, it's not the right size, so I'm going to drag it to full screen. Now I'm done with this image. I want to add another source because I want to add the video, right? So I'm going to go squeeze, and then I'm going to click OK. And then I got it highlighted. I need to add the source, right? I'm going to go to media source, and then I'm going to label it so that I know what it is. And then I'm going to go and find it. So for me, I got to go in my videos. And as you can see, I have lots and lots of videos. And I put them in this folder, and I'm going to go and get this. Okay? And again, it's not as big as I can make it. Now, the reason why it doesn't fit properly is because I made a meme out of it, right? Because I found these memes get much higher video views. So this is as big as I could make it. If it was only the video, it would go full screen. So now you can see the videos playing. What I like to do in the settings here is I like to make sure it says restart playback when source becomes active. Because right now it's playing. When I start my live event, I don't want it to start in the middle, right? So I'm going to click this onto the image, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. So now the next thing I need to do is I need to create the Facebook Live. So what I'm going to do is minimize this for a minute, and I'm going to go over to Facebook. Okay, and I'm going to go over to a page that I use for testing. So I'm going to go live. And when it comes up here, it's looking for my camera. I got my camera pointed down. I don't need the camera view. I want to see this. What I'm looking for here is this here. But what we need to do is we need to add live event title and live. Okay, these are the things that are going to determine most likely if people are going to watch. They're going to get informed that this live event just started. So if it's dull, you're not going to get any viewers. So I got this event ready to go, right? I can put tags and whatever, but the software is going to want this stream key. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to the software. And then I'm going to go over here to settings. Now, don't worry about all of these settings right now, but you want to go to stream. Now I just want to show you one of the things is you can see that it's selected the stream type of streaming services, and you can see the service is set to Facebook Live, but I'm just going to show you that you can do Twitch, YouTube, Smartcast, Mixer, Dailymotion, Facebook, Restream, Live EDU, and Twitter. Okay? It'll do all of these. But we're just going to keep with Facebook for now. And then I have to put that stream key in here. Okay? And when I close it, it's going to ask me to save. So I'm going to go, okay, I saved it. Now, the minute I click Start Stream, what it's going to do is it's going to start trying to connect with this. Hopefully I can switch over fast enough. So you're going to see it connect, and then this Go Live button here will become active. So I'm going to click Start Streaming, and I'm going to go back here, and you see it's fetching the stream here now. Okay, can take a few moments. Boom. Now you see why we put the picture there now? Because the minute I say go live, it's going to show this picture. Because I have to go back to the software and I have to start the video. Now that doesn't take very long, but we don't want blank nothing. If I'm streaming the screen, we don't want to show anything but this picture. I'm going to click Go Live. Then I'm going to go back over to the software, and I'm going to start the video. Now, the video started. If I go back to the live event, you can see that the video has started. If I turn on the audio,
my Squeezematic software. Squeezematic is my full feature.
You can see that the video is playing, and it's going to run. So now I got a pre-recorded video meme running on Facebook Live. And then I'm going to end this event, and then I'll go back into the software. I'll stop streaming. And then when I go back onto Facebook, this is a very short video, so it shouldn't take too long. I'll refresh the page. And there it is, 1 minute ago. If I click this, you're going to see that it run the picture there for a couple seconds, and then the video is going to start playing. I'm going to mute that because we don't want to. But you see the live event is running now. And as I showed you in live, once this is live, okay, so when you share, you need to decide if you want to share as one of your pages or if you want to share as yourself. Okay? Now, I wouldn't have never put this on this page, but maybe I want to share as me. Well, I could share as me on my profile. I could share as one of my other fan pages, okay? Or I could share as Sunny Sushi. So if I share as, if I click on share, you see, this is Sunny Sushi posting as Sunny Sushi. I can't even say that right. I would type something interesting here, and then I could share on a page that I manage. I could share in a group, or I could share on my timeline or a friend's timeline. I think when you share, if I was posting as me, you see, I could share in a private message. I think it let me do that with Sunny Sushi as well, sorry. But what I like to do is I like to go into a group. You can only do one group at a time. But you can see how I could post this and then go back, share, pick a group, post, share, pick a group, post. Okay, so once you have this done, you could definitely post in 10 or 15 groups rather quickly. You would want this post to make sure that you had here, and then you would say something like in this one, this is a giveaway, right? So in this one I would say, comment below and I will PM you. Okay, I like to try the comment stuff. Sometimes on some days it works like unbelievably well, and on some days I hardly get anything. Okay, and I don't really know why. I just know that it is working, and when they comment, they bump the video back to the top of the stream, right? Every time they comment, they bump that video back to the top of the stream. Click post. and away you go.